Whether you are new to Microsoft 365 or if you've been using these tools for a while, understanding the differences between SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams can be confusing. These are all cloud based tools and they have distinct differences. However, there is some overlap. So that is where things can get a little bit blurry. And this is totally common because most people aren't taught how these tools are meant to work together. Instead, they are shown how to use their features individually. And that's exactly why I created the Microsoft 365 for Modern Collaboration course series. And throughout this course, we are going to start off with the fundamentals so that you can learn how to use OneDrive and SharePoint effectively. And then we will look at how Microsoft Teams fits into the picture. This will help you understand how these tools connect, how they are different, and when you should use each one so that you can feel more confident using them in your day to day work. So, if you want to align collaboration, then enroll today.